Warren Buffett is a person you can call a celebrity in the world of investing in stocks. Many other investors always do everything they can to see what he's got on his portfolio, just so they can invest in the same companies he is invested in. His portfolio has become kind of the Vogue magazine of the investing world, and everyone always wants to see the latest. Well, we've been following the changes in his portfolio, and today we're going to be looking at 3 stocks that keep recurring. Before we get into these 3 incredible stocks, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel so you can learn more on investing with more videos like this. Thanks for doing that. Alright, let's get right into it. When Warren Buffett keeps buying stocks in a particular company, you know it's because he sees something really special in that company. And in fact, that's all the go-ahead most investors need to put all their money in that company. So, what are those companies? Let's start with the first company, which is Apple, the fruit-themed electronics company. For anyone who's been following Warren Buffett's portfolio for a while, you'd know that Warren loves Apple stocks. In fact, he has publicly called Apple probably the best business I know in the world. Apple is one of Warren Buffett's top elite businesses with powerful competitive advantages. This continued investment is actually unsurprising. Apple stocks check all the boxes for Warren Buffett. In fact, Apple is Berkshire Hathaway's largest position. The company has more than 915 million shares of Apple, valued at $142 billion. Warren Buffett knows that Apple is a household name as over 1 billion people in the world have an iPhone. He knows that Apple's brand is very strong and inspires firm customer loyalty. Once you buy an iPhone, you want to buy other Apple products. And that's how Apple retains its huge customer base and has remained profitable over the years. Apart from the name and brand, Apple has always been a big moneymaker, always raking in profits year over year. Cash flow production, with over $90 billion generated in free cash flow in just the first 9 months of its 2022 fiscal year. Apple is one of the biggest companies when it comes to the cash flow production. All of this is good news to Warren Buffett because a rich company means rich investors. The huge figures in cash flow production means investors like Buffett get bigger dividend incomes, and the company can embark on a massive stock buyback program. With all of these on the table, do you expect Buffett not to keep feasting on Apple? The second company on our list is the financial titan, Bank of America. After Apple, there's no other stock Buffett loves more than Bank of America. In fact, Bank of America is Berkshire's second largest holding. Warren Buffett's investment company has a stake of about $35 billion in Bank of America, or BOFA as it is also known. This is about 10% of Berkshire's entire portfolio. Buffett is not only interested in the company's stock, but also its management. He is especially impressed with BOFA's CEO, Brian Moynihan, who rescued the company from near collapse both in the Great Recession and also in the financial crisis of 2007 to 2009. Warren likes Moynihan's prioritization of risk management and his traditional banking style. Currently, the bank has been facing problems due to pandemic and the economic problems in America. But Warren Buffett isn't moved. He still thinks that the bank will become profitable in the long term, especially when the overall economy eventually expands. The company's already working on bouncing back. The BOFA is already expenses investing aggressively in digital banking technology to stay current and benefit from mobile banking and app-based transactions. Here's a hot tip for you. The Bank of America's stock price has gone down by about 22% since the country has been nearing a recession. So if you're looking to buy some Warren Buffett-approved stock, here's your best chance. The third and final stock is in the oil sector, where Buffett seems to be shifting his interests to. And who can blame him? Energy stocks have always performed well, even in times of inflation. And now that the price of oil and gas have gone up, Chevron is raking in the money. The Russia-Ukraine tensions have had many countries looking for new suppliers for energy, and Chevron is not found wanting. The company is working round the clock to meet the gallons of demand it's seeing and increase its production of oil and liquefied natural gas. Swimming in that much demand, Chevron is gradually becoming one of the most profitable companies right now. The company's revenue has gone up 83% year over year to about $68.8 billion in just the second quarter, and its adjusted earnings shot up dramatically by 245% to $11.4 billion. Chevron is one company that loves to reward its investors with huge dividends and stock buybacks. This is the kind of thing that puts a smile on Buffett's face and has made him invest big in Chevron with more than 163 million shares of the oil and gas giant, a stake valued close to $27 billion. There you have it, Warren Buffett's 3 golden eggs. You can also choose to invest in those companies if you're interested. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can learn more on investing with more videos like this.